Good morning, children. We have to learn about impact of British rule in India. We were studying this lesson for the last 1 week. It's a very big lesson. Now we have learned about Indian Councils Act of 1892. We have learned about or we have studied about Indian Councils Act of 1892. What were the provisions or what were the sections of this act that we have seen? What were the sections of this act that we have seen? Number of members in the regional and legislature assembly was increased during the time of the British people. At the central level and at the regional level, legislative assemblies were there. That means at the provincial level, and at the central level, there was a presence of legislative assembly. And number of members in the regional and central legislative assembly was increased. Number of members in the regional and central legislative assembly was increased. This was done by the British people. This was mainly done by the British people to satisfy the Indians, because Indian people were conducting so many revolts against the British people. Second one, power of legislative council was increased by allowing budget discussions. In the beginning, legislative assembly had no power of their own in the beginning. Or during the starting time, legislative council had no power of their own. Now what happened? The power of legislative council was increased by allowing budget discussions. Legislative council was under the viceroy or the governor. Legislative council was under the viceroy or the governor general. Then what was that? The power of legislative council during this time began to be increased by the British people. The British people increased the power of legislative council. For what purpose? They increased the power of legislative council for budget discussions. What is the meaning of budget discussions? That we have to think. What is mean by budget discussions, or what is the meaning of budget discussions? What is budget? I have told you several times. What is budget, or what is the meaning of budget? I have told you several times. Budget is a statement of income and expenditure. In our daily life, we are keeping our own budget. In our daily life, we are keeping our budget. What is that? We may have income of our own. So budget is a statement of income and expenditure. So we are adjusting our expenditure to that of the income. Then what is that? In a state legislative assembly also. Now in the land of Karnataka, what is that? In the land of Karnataka, legislative assembly is there. In the legislative assembly, what is happening? In the legislative assembly, discussions are there regarding which one? State Finance Minister will present the budget, and all the members from government side and from opposition side, they will discuss about the budget. That is there. So what is that? In a legislative assembly nowadays, there will be discussion between the finance minister and other members inside this assembly. Like that, during the time of British people, legislative council got one power. What power they got, that is our thing. Though they got the power of discussing regarding which one, they got the power to discuss about budget. Budget may be presented inside the legislative council. Inside the legislative council, budget may be presented. Regarding that budget, legislative council members were discussing. This power was given to the legislative council by Indian Councils Act of 1892. Then, this act gave power to the legislative council to criticize the government on public issues by giving 6 days notice. That means, during this time, British people were ruling over the land of India during the time. During this particular time, British people were ruling over the land of India. And British people were implementing so many laws and regulations. British people were making law. British people were implementing so many laws and regulations. British people, they were implementing or they were making so many laws or rules and regulations. They were making. Then what happened? Sometimes the rules and regulations of the government may be bad. Sometimes the rules and regulations of the government may be bad. In such a situation, members of state or provincial legislative assembly and central legislative assembly and legislative council got the power to criticize that one. Imagine that during those days, imagine that during those days, government imposed 25% of tax on the people. Think that, imagine that. During that time, legislative council members or members of provincial legislative assembly or members of central legislative assembly got the power to criticize the decision of the government. But before 6 days, 6 days before, they should give notice to whom? 6 days before they should give notice to the government. Suddenly they did not get the power to criticize the government. Then next one. The government of Indian Councils Act of 1892 was made mainly because of the criticism of Congress party. What is the meaning of this one? During this time, Congress party was there in the land of India. Congress party was criticizing all the activities of British people. They were criticizing all the activities of the British people. So, in order to satisfy the Indians, for the purpose of satisfying the Indians, Indian Councils Act of 1892 was made by whom? The Indian Councils Act of 1892 was made by the British people. Then Indian Councils Act of 1909 we have studied. Indian Councils Act of 1909 then we have studied. Indian Councils Act of 1909 is known in another name known as Minto Model Reforms. This reform in another way was known as Minto Model Reforms. What is the meaning of Minto Model Reforms? We have to think. Minto was the Viceroy of India and Marley was the Secretary of State for India. Minto and Marley sat together and they discussed about how to satisfy the Indian people. Because during this particular time, what was going on? During this particular time, Indian people were fighting against the British people. During this particular time, Indian people were fighting against whom? They were fighting against the British people. So, in order to reduce the fight of the Indian people against the British people, the Indian Councils Act of 1909 was made. Indian Councils Act of 1909 was made for this purpose. Because British people began to fear that, or fear began to develop in the mind of British people that if they were not satisfying the Indians, it would have been difficult for the British people to continue in the land of India. So, in order to satisfy the Indian people, Indian Councils Act of 1909 was passed. This act was known in another name also. The another name of this act was Minto Marley Reform of 1909. Minto was the Governor General of Viceroy of India. Marley was the Secretary of State for India. One day they sat together and discussed how the Indians can be satisfied. How the Indian people or how the Indians can be satisfied. To satisfy the Indians, they made Indian Councils Act of 1909 or Minto Marley Reform of 1909. What were the features or what were the characteristics of this act that we have to think? What were the features or what were the characteristics of this act that we have to think? We have to study. Features or characteristics of this act. First one. Number of legislative council members was increased. That means, in the land of India, a legislative council was there. Viceroy was the head of legislative council. Then what was that? Number of members in the Viceroy's legislative council was increased to 16 from 16. This was done by the people. This was done by the British people only for satisfying the Indian people. Only for satisfying the Indian people. This was really done by the British people. Then, number of regional council members was also increased. Number of regional council members was also increased. But sir, at the regional level, at the local level, legislative council was there. inside the legislative council, Indian people and British people were there. So, the number of Indians in the regional legislative council was also increased. What is that? Indian people were allowed to sit inside the regional council through election. Indian people were allowed the right to sit in the regional legislative council through election. This was done by the British people for the first time in the history of India. Why? Because Indian people were making so many revolts, or Indian people were fighting. Indian people were fighting against the British people. So, to satisfy the Indians, representation to regional council was allowed through election by the British people. Then, another technique also was played by British people. Another technique was also played by the British people. What was that? During the time of 1850s and war, during the days of 1850s and war, Hindus and Muslims stand together to fight against the British people. So, British people decided to separate Hindus and Muslims. For that, in order to satisfy Muslims, separate representation to Muslims was given by the British people. What is the meaning of that? During the time of election, separate electorates or separate electoral college was given only to the Muslims. That means, now elections are going on in the land of Karnataka. What is that? From one seat, Hindus, Muslims or Christians can stand for the election. But if separate electoral college is there, what will happen? If separate electoral college is there, only from that area, only Muslims can stand as the candidate. This was mainly done to satisfy the Muslim people of India. Because of these reasons, Muslims were not ready to support Hindus. So, British people got the support of Muslims. So, what is the meaning of these things? We have to understand what is the meaning of all these things. What is the meaning? We are studying the lesson impact of British rule in India. Impact. The final result of British people in India. What were the final result of British administration in India? Or as a result of British administration, what happened in the land of India that we have studied? We have studied about Indian Councils Act of 1892. What were the features or what were the specialities of this act that we have studied? What were the features or what were the specialities of this act that we have studied? What actually happened? As a result of this act, number of members in the regional and central legislative assembly began to increase. During the time of the British people, at the central level central level or at the provincial level, local level, legislative assemblies were there. Total members of central and regional legislative assemblies were increased by Indian Councils Act of 1892. Then, powers of legislative council was increased by allowing budget discussions. One legislative council was there. Who was the head of legislative council that I had told you several times? The head of legislative council was the viceroy or the governor general. And inside the legislative council, what was that? Inside the legislative council, one speciality was there. Inside the legislative council, annual budget of that area was prepared. Annual budget of that area was prepared inside the legislative council. When legislative council was discussing about budget, Indian members also got the right to discuss about the budget. This was given to Indian members for the first time in the history of India. This was given to Indian members for the first time in the history of India. Then, during this time, British people were ruling over the land of India during this particular time. And British people were doing bad things and good things. Sometimes they may do bad things. In such a situation, members of legislative council, in such a situation or in such a condition, what happened? In such a situation or in such a condition, members of legislative assembly or legislative council got the power to criticize the government, but they should have given a 6 days notice in advance. They should have given a 6 days notice in advance. After giving 6 days notice in advance, the legislative council members got the power or right to criticize the government. All these things were done by the British people because they were afraid of the Congress people. They were really afraid of the Congress people. That means during the 1885 period, Congress party was made. In the year 1885 period, Congress party was made. And Congress party was fighting against the British people. Congress party began to demand so many things from Congress party began to demand so many things from the British people. So, in order to satisfy Indians or in order to satisfy the Congress party, Indian Councils Act of 1892 was made. Actually, British people did not like Indians. Actually, or in the real sense. Actually, or in the real sense. What happened? Actually, or in the real sense. British people did not like Indians. Then what happened? All these things were made by the British people only to satisfy the Indians. Otherwise, they were afraid of the fact that Indians may conduct a freedom struggle against the British people. Dear children, I will tell once more about Indian Councils Act of 1909. Indian Councils Act was passed in the year 1909. Indian Councils Act. Indian Councils Act is known as Minto-Marly Reforms. Minto was the Viceroy or Governor General of India. Marly was the Secretary of State for India. Both of them sat together and they began to discuss what can be done to satisfy the Indian people. They began to sit together and they discussed about what can be done to satisfy the Indians. So that in order to satisfy the Indians, Indian Councils Act of 1909 was passed by Minto and Marly. Then, what were the features or what were the specialities of this act that we have studied? First one, number of legislative council members were increased. Under the leadership of Viceroy or Governor General, one legislative council was there. The total number of members in the legislative council was 16. Total number of members in the legislative council was 16. The number was increased from 16 to 60 because so many Indians got the chance to become members of legislative council. All this was done to satisfy the Indian people. British people began to try some tricks that Indians should not participate in the freedom struggle. Then, number of regional council members was also increased. Regional legislative council was there. Regional legislative council was also there. Then, the total number of people in the regional legislative council was also increased by the Minto-Marly Reform or Indian Councils Act of 1909. So many Indian members, so many Indians got the chance to become members of regional legislative council. Representation of regional legislative council was allowed to election. What I told, at the regional level, who was at the regional level, regional council was there, now I told. And in the beginning, only nomination of members were there. Members were nominated to the regional legislative council. The Viceroy was nominating some members to the regional council according to his convenience. But this method was abandoned or stopped. What happened now that we have seen? This method was abandoned or stopped. What happened? The method of nomination, government stopped. According to 1909 Indian Councils Act, what happened? The method of nomination they stopped. Instead of nomination, direct election of members to the regional council was started by the government. Direct election to the regional council was started by the government. Then, another important feature or another important speciality was also there for Minto-Marly Reform or Indian Councils Act of 1909. That means during the 1850s and over, or during the time of Sepoy Mutiny, what happened that we have seen. During the time of Sepoy Mutiny or 1850s and over, Hindus and Muslims stood together to fight against the British people. Then British people now understood that. What they understood? British people now understood that if Hindus and Muslims are standing together, it is impossible for the British people to rule over India. So they separated Muslims from Hindus. They separated Muslims from Hindus. Then what did they do? They gave or they made separate representation from Muslims. They made or they created separate representation for the Muslims. That means from some constituencies, only Muslim people were allowed to stand in the election. As a result of this separate electoral college was made, or reservation was given to the Muslims. As a result of reservation, what happened? As a result of or as a consequence of reservation, Muslim people of India began to support only the British people. They were not ready to support the Hindus of India against the British people. So, what is that? As a result of separate representation, as a result of separate electoral college, Muslims got separate seat. They became happy. They were not ready to stand against the British people. I think, children, you are able to follow today's video. You see the video and you read the same topic in the textbook. If you do have any doubts, please call me in person. Thank you.